In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Fortnite vibration. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If controller vibration doesn't really appeal to you and you would like to have it completely disabled, you will be able to do this. So while you are in the lobby, before starting a match, go over to the settings, so click on your icon or open the social menu and then go all the way down to the settings icon. Now you will have plenty of options at the top. You will only find vibration if you go over to the controller tab. So go to controller, it is going to be the third one from the right side over here. And under input, which is the first category, you will find vibration. So it's a simple on and off toggle. So set this option to off and always remember to apply. With this done, as long as you are using a controller, vibration will be disabled. This way it isn't going to distract you or throw you off. It is simple to do, and like I said, you simply have to head over to the settings, go into the controller category, and it will be available here. Now, like I said, I am doing this on a PC, so this would come into play if I was using a controller. This should also be available for consoles such as Xbox and PlayStation, or alternatively, you can also go over to the console's settings. So if you don't find this option inside of Fortnite, then just disable the vibration settings on your PlayStation 5 or Xbox controller settings. This will apply for all games, including Fortnite, but for PC at least, they seem to have the option here. You can explore other options related to your controller, but the main one is always going to be at the top, vibration. And as long as you toggle this to the appropriate settings, it is going to be saved and applied to any controller that you use to play Fortnite with. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Fortnite vibration. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.